I don't want to get too close to you because this can hurt. Not you, it hurt me if you hit it towards me. Good job. You almost got it. Try again. Throw it back to me. Okay, miss. Right-handed. Alright. Are you ready? Put both feet that way. No. Do you have to show you? Yes, I do. Oh. It's alright. Nice try. Try again. Tell me to back the ball with your right hand. Right hand. That's your left. Alright, second, ready? Bring the bat up. Is the bat too heavy for you? Put your hands together. Ready? Oh. Throw it with your right hand, please. Right hand. Thank you. See how much easier that is? Okay, you ready? Oh, almost. Good job. Spike. Nice job. Ready? Up. Oh, almost. Uh-huh. All right. Scoot this way up a little bit, please. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Pay attention to the ball. Almost. Bat's a little small.